Today we'll be talking about 5 signs of a healthy relationship. Many people these days end up in relationships that are unhealthy, emotionally dissatisfying, even outright emotionally abusive. If you want to avoid being in one of these unhealthy relationships, watch today's video. Hi guys, today we'll be talking about 5 signs that tell you you're in a healthy relationship with your partner. So stay tuned with me today. So the first sign that tells you that you're in a healthy relationship with your partner is that you feel emotionally safe with your partner. So what does it mean to feel emotionally safe? Emotionally safe means you are able to share with your partner your innermost thoughts and feelings and really feel like your partner understands your feelings and accepts them as they are. And this is the opposite of having your partner dismiss your feelings and say, I think you're being too sensitive or you're being too needy, almost like labeling your feelings for you and not really hearing you out. So the first sign is just having your feelings, innermost thoughts be accepted by your partner and there's no feeling of rejection. The second sign that tells you you're in a healthy relationship with your partner is that you really feel like you matter to your partner. And I guess this is not really a feeling, you matter to your partner. And it's really hard to pinpoint, what makes one feel important and another person not feel important. It's not like you can say, he's done this for me, he's done that for me, or she's done this for me, that tells me I matter to them. It's just an overall sense of like, I matter to my partner, and you're not really in doubt about that. You feel valued and you feel important. The third sign that tells you you're in a healthy relationship with your partner is whether or not you feel like they are emotionally reliable and emotionally responsive. Now, I know those terms can be vague, but really what it means is, when you're hurting, when you're complaining about something, when you need something from them, are they responsive to you? Are they there for you? So for example, sometimes they may not even be able to accommodate to your request or needs, but at least they show you that they care, that they're paying attention. So for example, maybe if they really know that your birthday is important for you, they're paying attention to that. So they won't be forgetful about a special occasion that they know it really matters to you. Even though they may not really be into like celebrating things, they care about how you feel and they're emotionally responsive to that. The other thing is also about when you're sick or when you're in your times of needs, when you're going through a difficult time, do you really feel like you can rely on your partner to be there for you? Can you actually count on them, right? And this is like just a knowing, this is just, that they'll be there for you. And if this is still a question mark in your mind, maybe the relationship is not as healthy and as strong as you think. So the fourth sign that tells you that your relationship is a healthy relationship is that both of you are able to resolve conflicts effectively. So, in relationships, it doesn't matter so much whether you're fighting or not. Having an argument is a natural part of being in any intimate relationship. But that's not a key factor in making or breaking your relationship. What's key in a relationship is whether, after having an argument or a disagreement or a rupture in your relationship, you guys are able to kind of repair that rupture, right? So it's how you make up after a conflict that's really defining in your relationship lasting a long time. And the science of a healthy relationship is that the partners do fight, they do argue, but they're able to make up and recover from that fight, both again, bracing for each other, reaching out for each other, and really being able to recover together from these arguments. So being able to recover and repair these arguments is key to having a healthy relationship. And now if you feel like with your partner you're not able to do that consistently, for example, let's say out of 10 arguments you have, 9 of them you don't reach a resolution and you find yourself having the same arguments over and over again without really any concrete resolution or understanding, then that's something that needs to be addressed, because over the long run it's not really healthy to have these patterns in a relationship. And actually research suggests that one of the things that break a relationship is that the partner's ability to recover from these arguments and ruptures in relationships. So if in the first 5 years of your relationship you find that you're not able to recover with your partner after having an argument and you still don't feel heard and understood understood and they don't feel heard and understood, and this keeps happening, that's really defining, and it kind of determines what's going to happen to your relationship 5 years down the line, which is a relationship like that is just less likely to last, right? So being able to be responsive, being able to feel like your partner is there for you when you need them, you feel emotionally safe with them, and also when you have an argument, you're able to both reach for each other and repair the rupture that's happened in the relationship. Those are key to having a healthy relationship. Now, the fifth point that tells you that you have a healthy relationship with your partner is that, when you're around them, you feel at ease, you feel a sense of peace. The relationship doesn't feel like much of a stress to you. And I think one of the early signs that we can tell our relationship is not going well is that we start losing focus at work, or we notice a change in how we are in other areas of our lives. Basically, the stress from the relationship we're noticing is taking over the other areas of our lives. So if you feel like really in terms of the level of stress, let's say from 0 to 10, this relationship is starting to make you feel stressed like over 5, from 5 to 10, that's a cause for concern, right? So it doesn't mean you don't go through periods like that with your partner, but if you're in a stressed state for a long time when you're in a relationship, let's say 6 months, without really seeing any solution or improvements, then that tells you there's something missing, something is not working, because if you are in a healthy relationship, it shouldn't make you feel so stressed. Now, obviously we went through the 5 key or the 5 signs that tell you you're in a healthy relationship. I just want to mention that before ending this video, that with your partner, it's inevitable. Just like any couples, you will go through these from time to time. So no one's perfect. So there will be times where you don't feel emotionally safe with your partner, where they make you feel stressed, or you feel like maybe they haven't really been there for you, recently. It is natural to have these feelings in any relationship, because that's just part of the roller coaster sometimes we feel in a relationship, or we experience in a relationship. But if these things are lacking in your relationship consistently, if your partner consistently dismisses your feelings, you consistently feel like you don't matter and don't feel valued by your partner, and if they're consistently not there for you and you feel abandoned, then I would just seek out counseling and really explore what that means in terms of just like moving forward with this relationship. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from this video. If you liked the video and learned something, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like the video and share it with your friends who are struggling with intimate relationships nowadays. All right, until next time, bye.